Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Run faster, leave it behind, be like. 1. Leave excuses behind. Reason success starts when excuses stop. 2. Leave laziness behind. Reason action beats waiting every time. 3. Leave doubt behind. Reason confidence grows with every step. 4. Leave fear behind. Courage gets stronger than practice. 5. Leave procrastination behind. Reason today is the best day to begin. 6. Leave bad moods behind. Reason exercise can brighten your day. 7. Leave stress behind. Reason running helps clear your mind. 8. Leave the snooze button behind. Reason early starts can lead to great days. 9. Leave negative thoughts behind. Reason positive thinking keeps you motivated. 10. Leave yesterday behind. Reason focus on today's opportunities. 11. Leave worries behind. Reason one step at a time makes a difference. 12. Leave comfort zones behind. Reason growth begins with new challenges. 13. Leave slow mode behind. Reason give your best effort today. 14. Leave distractions behind. Reason focus helps you reach your goals. 15. Leave boredom behind. Reason every run can be a new adventure. 16. I'll do it later behind. Reason taking action feels rewarding. 17. Leave the couch wondering where you went. Reason a funny reminder to stay active. 18. Leaving your shadow catching up. Reason imagine you're moving superhero speed. 19. Leave the wind saying wait for me. Reason playful imagination makes winning fun. 20. Leave tiny steps behind. Reason build confidence with bigger strides. 21. Leave frowns behind. Reason smiles make every journey better. 22. Leave hesitation behind. Reason believe in yourself and keep going. 23. Leave limits behind. Reason you can improve little by little. 24. Leave sleepy mornings behind. Reason movement brings energy. 25. Leave complaints behind. Reason gratitude makes the journey lighter. 26. Leave your snack thinking comeback. Reason a silly joke for a good laugh. 27. Leave the finish line amazed. Reason give every run your best effort. 28. Leave small goals behind. Reason keep reaching for bigger dreams. 29. Leave the clock surprise. Reason celebrate your personal progress. 30. Leave every run with a smile. Reason best victory is enjoying the journey. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.